Do 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 do. Do 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 do. The 2 and 4 and 6 or 8, shunting trucks and foreign freight, red and green and brown the booth. They're the really useful crew. All the different roles to play, round Tingman shed so far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Do, do, do. Thomas the Tank Engine's been on Sodor for many years because he loves to be on Sodor for a long time. So, filled with exciting moments. Bench is over there where he puts his pieces over inside. This is Thomas the Tank Engine who is about to destroy this phone with a lovely, dangerous substitutes of crack off a throwing dead phone. And guess what? It's completely busted. And it drops again and reaches on the sky into a blast. If you know about somebody, you can go on drugs, but the lovely thing is us in here. I should take Henry's plane out of it. I should take the plane toy out of it. He busted the phone a while ago. And let's see if we can let the whole thing down. Ow. Right, this is your brother, Thomas. Oh, thanks, James. Oh, I'm so sweet you are. I know you're so sweet you are. Probably or else. What's next? Right. Anyways. What the? Why are you looking at me for? Because I don't want to see you putting the plane. No, don't. Don't. Seriously, stop it. Alright, I'll go fuck Thomas the Tank Engine in the mud trucks. Go upside down. Nope. Yes, how's it better go? Just leaving ever having left there. Heh. On drugs. Oh dear. Let's see if you can pull this thing on drugs. Heh. Hey, yeah! Oh, here goes a big plane to hit the wall. Whoa! There you go. Oh no. Get off. Oh, dear me. Percy. What? Are you? What? Did I own drugs? What? Ah! Percy, it was you who did this. What, sorry? It was you just love to do this. Why? Because you made me on drugs now, okay. Oh my god. What's happened? Uh-oh. What? Why is there a cat in the mud? Why is there a cat in the mud? Ah! Oh! Ah! I'll get you out, kitty cat. Thomas the Tank Engine, go away! Ow! You're on the pool for several years. They broke the last ball in, and the phone certainly dropped on the bottom. But it came out the other end. Goes to... oh dear. And later, it flashes to... it splashed itself a cat. Oh dear. a broken dodgy foot, and a cat who stays on the water too long, even make puddles. But then, splashed in. But then, it was raining. A plane goes to a splash water. But then, a creator decided to get up this plane from the wrong water. Oh dear. It was raining outside. A couple hours later, the rain stopped. Fortunately, washed the windows. And it broke the window in half. For now in a decade. Thomas the Tank Engine needs some drink. And the pig dragged himself outside and blast her knee. Only a little pig needs to go outside too. On the other hand, a freight train was heard through Sodor. And the pig goes to a splash water. This busted phone is arriving no way. Oh dear. And blast and splash and blistered the pig. So filled with excitement, the water headed for this is Decade Thomas's coffee. Give him some coffee for a lovely great spill of coffee. Here is your coffee, madam. Oh, thanks. Oh no! Oh, you should be on drugs again. Join us again for our next adventure on Thomas and Friends. See you there shortly, and we'll be back in a time next time. Goodbye, Ouch.